I got a 1980 diesel Mercedes. I bought it because it was the year I graduated high school. It's a 300D. I've been trying to get it running. A friend helped me try to get it running, and I don't know if it's got good compression or not. So I bought this yesterday. It's a diesel compression tester set. It's got a gauge. It'll go up to 1,000 pounds. It's got all these different fittings in it. The one I need the most is this one right here. This one will fit the glow plug hole on that diesel Mercedes. And then I can put that in the glow plug hole and hook the gauge up to it and turn it over. And it'll give the compression. You need a good hot battery to turn it over. It takes a lot of pressure to turn it over, a lot of compression. I'm hoping I'll be able to get it running. I think I got $350 in the car. I think that's what I paid for it. And the guy let me use his tow dolly to tow it home. When my friend tried to help me get it running, we sprayed too much starting fluid in. I think it messed it up. It slowed it down. The walls in the engine get all dried out when you spray too much starting fluid. So recently I put Marvel Mist Oil down all the cylinders and got the cylinders all loose again. When we tried to start it before, it came real close to starting. When I bought it, I heard the guy get it running. He made it run for me because I wanted to hear it run before I bought it. Somebody put those fancy wheels on it. It doesn't have the old bump wheels. I hope they get it going. I ordered a key from Mercedes. I had lost the key. Mercedes had a key made to the VIN number for $41. The factory key. It fits perfect. It works in the doors and under the hood. I found a Mercedes battery, a real Mercedes battery that the rich people took out of their car after 2 years just because they wanted a new battery. There was nothing wrong with it, and the guy at the shop put it on Facebook Marketplace for $25. I got it for $25. That battery's probably $400 or $500 new from the dealership. I hope to get the old wagon running soon.